Hey, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my model kit, Qian Hui model from Universal Century Gundam, and this is the Dom, the Rick Dom or the Dom, I don't know, but for me it's the same, because this model, it's like a modified version of the Dom. So there we go, I got this kit from Hobby Wang, and thank you so much Hobby Wang for the excellent transaction, and I received this pre-order very fast compared with the other shops that I know here in the Philippines, in the Shopee Philippines. So I received it once he texted me that this kit is now available, so thank you so much. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Qian Hui model has to offer us collectors. Fun those kits. So there we go, we got this brown box here, and this is just the same with the other Chinese brand of box, where it's just like a shoe box, a fake shoe box. But this time, instead of just putting the code number for the kit, Qian Hui model printed this kind of silhouette, which is very nice. I like the style of this printing here. It's very professional and professional bootleg, as I can describe. And there we go. On the side of the box here, we can see Qian Hui model, and the code is QH618. And the other side, it's also the same. And there we can read the Qian Hui model. Okay, so if we open the box here, which is very easy, just flip the top here, and it's a very big box as well. You can see the instruction manual, so let's focus first with the instruction manual of the kit. So there we go, we got this white instruction manual with this kind of silhouette of the Dom, and this is, for me, this is a very nice kit. It's a customized version, of course, of the Dom, where they put nice accents and grooves and designs for the very flat looking legs of the Dom, especially also in this armor here. So I much like this compared with the Bandai or the other bootleg of the regular Dom. Okay, so if we open the manual here, we can see the parts list. And so the print out of this parts list is the same with the bootleg versions of the other kits that I built before. Okay, so we can see here this instruction or build sequence on the kit, which is very simple, straightforward, and I don't know, but as I assess this kit, this is a very easy kit to build, even though the parts list looks so complicated or so much. Still, as I can assess this is a very quick build and beginner friendly as I can judge. Okay, so I just wish that the pegs and the sockets of this kit are fitting perfectly, because of course, if you're building bootleg kits, you need to somehow lower your expectation. So I am confident that even though, or even if there will be a fitting issue for the kit, I might use my skills for sanding it. So there we go, let's go with the parts or the packages here. So we got here first the water slide decals, which is very nice. I really like those big Xeon logo here. So it's so much here, so just choose which Xeon logo you might use. And for the excess, I might use the excess for my other Xeon kits, especially the Zaku tank and the Magella tank because they are so bland. I might use those pieces here. Also, I got the Charazable model kit here. I might utilize other pieces here for those kits. Okay, so let's go with the packages here. We got this first pack here for this silver parts, which is very nice. Okay, we got silver parts here. Second pack here, we got this dark or black and purple parts, and some yellow, clear yellow and clear pink parts here. So this is the second pack. Third pack, we got this very chunky parts here, black chunky parts and purple chunky parts. Fourth pack here, we got this metallic gray colored parts and the red color parts here. So we got the fifth pack here for the gray parts, and these gray parts are for the inner frame. And the sixth pack here, we got also gray parts. These are all inner frame parts for the kit. And the seventh pack here, we got this chunky parts for the feet, and we got this heat baton or heat saber part, the color yellow. And the eighth part here, we got this clear action stand, and this chunky parts for the guns or the cannons, I presume. And that's it. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So first, I want to analyze and check the plastic quality of this kit by just feeling and touching it. So as I can judge the plastic texture, this is a bit matted, and it's a bit brittle, so which is not a good point for a model kit. So it has the same quality like the Bandai style of plastic, so the texture feels that way. And as you can see, those mold marks are very evident, which is the same also with the Bandai kit. This is not the same compared with the other bootlegs that I built, where there are no visible mold marks like the Huiyan model and the Phantom model from the other company, where they produce the Zaku from Gundam Seed. But this time it has the feel of the Bandai vibes, where you can see those mold marks. Anyway, I hope this kit will still be a good kit to build. Okay, so there we go. We got this runner P, and there's this character here, Chinese character, which say I forget, Qian Hui, like that. So there we go. We got the runner P. So this for gray parts. So another gray parts for the inner frame parts. And as you notice, some parts here are already dislodged from the runner. So we got here runner G for this chunky parts for the inner frame. Then we got here runner I and another set of runner I. So we got two sets of this for the inner frame parts. And as you can see, the parts are very easily detachable with the runner. So be careful when building this kit, because you might lose parts here, especially these small parts. And this one, we got here runner K and another runner K. So we got two sets of runner K for this kit. And we got this very small parts here for runner H, and this is for the hands. So I'm very impressed, or it exceeded my expectation that the hands for this dome are very large compared with the other Mastergrade kit that I got. So as you can see here, we got this very large palm of the hand, and it makes me smile to see this kind of hand, because it's very huge, and it will be appropriate or proportionate with the kit size. Okay, so we got here runner E for this purple parts and another runner E. So we got two sets of runner E plus this kind of chunky parts here, and for the dorsal part of the hand, which is the cover for the palm. And we got this black runners for the chunky parts, and this will be the armor parts for the chest and waist part. This runner B. And for the chunky parts here again, for the feet, we got here runner A. And as you can see, the mold marks for this large pieces here are very evident. And as I can say, this is just like the Bandai style or Bandai quality of plastic. When you just open the Bandai kit, you can notice those mold marks. Okay, so we got here runner D, 2 sets of runner D for these purple armor pieces, and we got to see this black parts here. This is runner M, and these are all black. I think this one is for the rocket launcher or the bazooka, and again this one for the bazooka parts. This is runner N, and we got this clear runners for the action base stand, and this is runner L. And for this gray parts here, parts for the feet, where everything here is a bit chunky, especially this one for the sole of the feet. So this runner J. And then we got this nicely chromed, I think this one is a chrome spray part for the bazooka. So this is runner O. Then we got red chunky parts here for runner C. And finally, we are here with the metallic silver or metallic gray colored runners. This is runner P1. And we got this runner H1. We got this runner F, 2 sets of runner F. And finally, we got this runner C1 for the metallic silver or metallic gray colored runner. So this is a bit judging the appearance of the plastic, this is sprayed painted metallic silver color. So we got here final 5 small runners. We got this runner L1 for this clear pink pieces here. Then we got this runner L2 for the visor, clear lens for the visor. And we got L3 for, I think this one for the mono eye gem. And this one, the yellow runner, a clear yellow runner, runner L1. So you have a choice for this part here, whether to use this clear yellow or this clear pink. So we got 2 sets of this. And for the heat saber or heat rod here, we got this runner L4. And once again, we got here the water slide decals, which is very nice. And again, the instruction manual for the Qian Hui model. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review, and see you next time on the finished product of this Qian Hui model DOM Mastergrade copy, or the bootleg copy. See you next time. It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studios, and good night and take care. God bless as well.